Hi,
Hi.
I'm looking for a gift for my mom. She loves jewelry. Do you have any recommendations?
How about Damascene jewelry?
Wow, they're so beautiful. What are they made of?
They are 24 karat gold and inlaid on lacquered steel. They are all handmade by our craftsmen.
Wow, that's amazing. But there are so many designs. How do I choose?
Does she like flowers?
Yes, she loves flowers.
Well, in that case, I'd recommend these cherry blossom.
This is gorgeous.
Oh, you like this?
Yes.
I'd recommend pairing pendant with the matching earring.
This is perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm sure your mom will love it.